Stop me if this sounds familiar. You wrote a perfect email for your subscribers, subject line on point, amazing content and research included, catchy call to action sprinkled and more. It's a masterpiece. You just need to hit the send button and imagine results like these. The only problem is you get super low opening rates because Gmail's and Outlook is filtering your messages to spam. You take a shift, get a new autoresponder, crossing your fingers and just waiting for sending money-making email campaign. Well, that just doesn't happen how you imagine it to be. Your campaigns die, your dreams are faded, and you are nowhere close to the results you want when you want them, which is now. That's where most entrepreneurial dreams bite the dust. Things that were supposed to be so easy and should take a few minutes are taking hours with little or no success. If you have ever been in this situation and wanted to have high open and click rates, get more traffic and sales and having total control over your email marketing, then you would want to stick around for next 5 minutes with us. Introducing MailBoss, a complete and super smart cloud-based email marketing software that empowers you to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers for massively high open and click rates, all for just a one-time price. See the opening rates from 30% to 72% from a simple email sent from our system in just a few clicks in less than 3 minutes. Email marketing is still a workhorse for digital marketing initiatives and most engaged channel on desktop and mobile phones, while other channels are changing constantly and are not reliable. Let me share some amazing and unique features that make MailBoss the most advanced email autoresponder out there. 1. Upload unlimited leads and subscribers without getting in review or restrictions. Don't lose those hard-earned leads with double opt-in or waiting for ages for approval. Either add leads one by one or import using a file. 2. Hundreds of beautiful and proven to convert email templates. You get instant access to high-converting email templates that we have been using for our campaigns to get amazing results, and you can simply swipe them. 3. High inbox delivery. We have included email structuring systems such as header meta, header unsubscribe links, super clean HTML with inline CSS beyond industry standards to ensure the maximum delivery and openings. 4. Advanced segmentation. Segment your list based on who clicked, opened, non-opens, clicked, or opened more than twice. A unique feature that can boost your results by 50% instantly. 5. Inline and templates editor. Create simple inline emails or responsive HTML emails in a few minutes. 6. Web forms and advanced autoresponder. Just choose from proven to convert from an embed on your landing pages, lead generation pages, or anywhere and start collecting leads right inside your MailBoss dashboard. 7. Spam score checker. Just enter the content inside the editor and in a single click, it will show you the keywords that may take your email in spam. 8. Emoji integration. Add emoji to special characters in headline or body to boost the engagement of your emails. But wait, we are not done here. For a limited time, you are getting the commercial license without any extra cost. So you can start your own email marketing agency and provide email marketing solution to businesses and local vendors and charge a monthly amount. All sounds too good to be true. Where is the catch? Well, there is no catch. This ultimate email marketing solution is available for a one-time price during this special launch period. After this, it will get back to its rightful recurring price. MailBoss is covered with our rock-solid 30 days money-back guarantee, which means, if it doesn't live up to every claim on this page, just get in touch with us for a prompt refund. That's how easy it is for you. So I highly recommend you click the Buy Now button below now or check out the rest of the features and demo of the software on this page. MailBoss team is waiting to assist you and welcome you inside your exclusive members area.